state of being, but the city's still the same.